Hey everyone, I'm Jen, and I wanted to share with you this Orgain Organic Protein. I use this pretty much every day in one way or another, either in smoothies or just in a glass of oat milk. I love this protein because it's super smooth and it's sweet. It has a vanilla flavor, so it sweetens it without having any added sugars. The protein is plant-based protein, so it comes from pea protein, brown rice protein, and chia seeds. It also has organic berries and fruits, greens, grasses and sprouts, and veggies and herbs. So it pretty much covers everything in this one jar. If I have a smoothie, I feel like I've gotten all of my nutrients in one day just in that one drink. It's also a really great choice if you have any allergies. It's lactose free, gluten free, dairy free, and soy free. And it doesn't have any artificial ingredients or preservatives. If I don't have time to make a smoothie in the morning, I just take my Oatsome oat milk, pour some oat milk into my glass, and then just add a scoop. It dissolves really easily in hot or cold beverages. Again, it's super smooth. It doesn't leave a chalky film taste in your mouth, and it comes in lots of different flavors. I've only tried the vanilla, but I definitely want to try the chocolate soon. It's a very healthy way to get your vitamins and nutrients in one spot really quickly. So I would highly recommend this if you haven't tried it. It tastes delicious.